With 1 in 4 fires starting in the kitchen today, we are going to demonstrate a brand new product, the Flame Fighter Fire Suppression Sachet. It's very easy to use. Place the sachet in the pan and let it extinguish the fire. It's perfect to have to hand at home, in the campervan, caravan, and in the boat. It doesn't require maintenance and has no mechanical parts. Due to the high efficiency of the fire suppression agent, cooking pan, oil, and fat fires can be suppressed in seconds. A low-cost solution to protect your family. Store one in a kitchen drawer, handy to the stove. It's a safe way to deal with oil pan fires. Exclusively available from PSL Fire and Safety.